Hey guys, Wade here from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today what we're going to be showing you is the HSP Fuse Box cover for the 2001 to 2007 Chevrolet Duramax trucks. Now, HSP, we all know they do these really high-end engine dress-up pieces. They're also functional as well. So when you go and you're working on your engine bay, HSP offers a whole plethora of products, from intercooler pipes, air intakes, Y bridges, you know, and other things that just really dress the engine up, make it look really nice, but are also very, very functional when you're talking about their air transfer products and things like that. So Chris called me up from HSP, said, "Hey man, we got a fuse box cover. Have you got a Duramax around the shop that we can put one of these on?" Big shout out to the guys at HSP for sending this. We're actually a little bit Duramax poor right now, but we did manage to kick up Boo's LLY truck here. Boo's had one product on the truck that was a different color, and he had a set of teal traction bars. So I told Chris, "Hey, send us the teal cover." So let's get underneath the hood. We'll slap this on the fuse box. We'll show you what this looks like once it's installed, and yeah. You know, a lot of times with these powder coated engine dress up parts or engine parts, you know, you'll buy a package that will come with an air intake, intercooler pipes. So you knock a lot of the engine components out that HSP offers in one bundle shot. But then they offer other ancillary things like these fuse box covers, which is really nice. But you know, a piece like this, in my mind, I would think is probably one of the latter pieces that you add into the mix. But we're going to use this as a really, really nice piece that is going to be the centerpiece for the engine to help Boo get his head out of his butt and get him some engine dress up pieces for his engine. Now I'd like to direct your attention to the engine bay, Adam, and what we'll do is we'll show these guys. You're gonna have a beautiful piece like this HSP fuse box cover, and that's going to give Boo the determination to get rid of his old stock air intake that he has a spray paint can top covering up his resonator hole. So you know what, that's what we're doing here. We're using this beautiful piece from HSP as the determination and the jump off point for Boo cleaning up his engine bay. So HSP in the kit comes with some Velcro that goes on your box, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, and I've already cleaned the box up. Of course, I'm just going to go ahead and put my Velcro down. I put the soft piece of Velcro on the box, and then put the more aggressive piece on the lid of it. But what I'll do is I'll stick them together, go on kind of on the outside of the boxes too. Just stick that on, roll it in with a socket like that. Get the one from the other side. Same thing on the other end of it. And then I'll put them together and then stick them to the lid. But this is going to have it where once you do this, it's always going to go back to the Velcro side. So I'll just put my Velcro on like so. Don't forget to clean the lid of your box, your HSP box as well. All right, so I'm gonna pull my sticky side off. Ready? We'll go ahead and stick our box side on. Take it right to the cover like so. And there you go. You've got your very nice HSP fuse box cover in. Again, this works for the 01 to 07 Chevrolet Duramax trucks. I don't have it in front of me whether it works with the gassers or not, but we do know that obviously it works with The Duramax equipped trucks, they've got this for some of the L5P options as well. But guys, if you've got the, if you've already got the bundle, you've got the air intake, or you're just looking to kind of piece up your engine, dress up pieces one at a time, this battery box cover is a really nice piece. Kind of gives, you know, kind of hides that unsightly fuse box there, and just makes it really nice engine bay. So if you've got any questions about HSP products, give us a call, and thanks for watching.